Trump says Israel agrees to initial withdrawal line in Gaza, hails move as close to ending 3,000-year catastrophe. Netanyahu hopes to announce release of all hostages from Gaza in the coming days under Trump's peace plan as talks progress in Egypt. Madhya Pradesh doctor Praveen Soni, who prescribed the cough syrup linked to 10 children deaths in Chhindwara, arrested. US judge blocks Trump administration from deploying 2,000 National Guard troops to Portland, issuing a temporary halt as a lawsuit against the move proceeds. Student from Hyderabad shot dead in Dallas by unidentified gunmen. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy condoles death of student, assures all possible assistance to bring back mortal remains. Supreme Court to hear plea by Sonam Wangchuk's wife on the 6th of October, challenging the activist's detention under the National Security Act. Ajikor rape victims' parents slam Kolkata's safest city tag, calling NCRB report misleading, citing recent rain-related deaths and unreported crimes. Two Russian drones hit trains in Ukraine's Sumy region, killing 1 and injuring 30, as Kyiv accuses Moscow of deliberately targeting passenger trains. British Prime Minister Keir Starmer to visit India on the 8th and 9th of October, marking his first trip since taking office last year.